Hey guys, this is a video to show you how to set up a workout for an Amrap session. So again, you go to Workout Tools, get that drop-down menu, go to your whiteboard, and go down to the little box down here, and just get it to where it's one screen. Scroll down to find your team. Okay. This will be for Saturday's workout, so just click on Saturday if it's not already there. November 9th. Okay, got your 6 different exercises. Okay, so they'll do their bench push-ups over by the mirrors, the goblet squats, the single dumbbell on the first row, inverted rows, plate twist with a press in the middle, landmine griff push press with a 25-pound bumper plate on the racks 21 through 30, and then your med ball planks over on that last row closest to the turf. So go to your settings button, go down here. We're going to do an active time of 20 seconds. So they'll do 20 seconds for each exercise, doing as many reps as they can. I'm going to give them 12 seconds to rotate, and then the transition time. This will be the rest time in between sets. So they'll do 6 exercises, and then they'll have a 2-minute break. Okay, and then you just hit done. Hit the barbell. Now it won't rotate through the exercises, so bench push-ups, they'll do all 6 exercises and that'll be their first set. So after it gets past their 6th set, which will be their 6th exercise in the circuit, then you'll get your 2-minute break. Then hit this little clock up top and you're ready to go. Then as it goes through the workout, each of these will be a different exercise. When they get to the end, that's where you will have your your 2-minute break where they can get water and whatnot. So that's it for today. Hope this helps you out. Hope you have no issues on Saturday, and take care.